Welcome to White Horse Manpower Consultancy Private Limited. We currently have opening for IT recruiter or technical recruiter. Location: Bangalore, India. Shift: day shift. Joining: immediate. Salary: as per experience. About White Horse Manpower Consultancy Private Limited. White Horse Manpower Consultancy Private Limited is a leading recruitment firm specializing in IT and non-IT hiring. With years of expertise in the industry, we have successfully placed thousands of candidates in top companies. Our mission is to bridge the gap between exceptional talent and the best job opportunities. If you are passionate about recruitment and have a knack for identifying top IT professionals, we want you to join our team. Job description: as an IT recruiter at White Horse Manpower Consultancy Private Limited, you will play a crucial role in sourcing, screening, and hiring top technical talent for leading IT companies. You will work closely with hiring managers, use innovative sourcing techniques, and ensure a seamless recruitment process. This role is perfect for recruitment professionals who thrive in a fast-paced environment and love connecting people with their dream jobs. Key responsibilities: understanding hiring needs. A. Work closely with clients and hiring managers to understand IT job requirements. B. Develop customized hiring strategies based on industry trends and role-specific needs. Talent sourcing and candidate engagement. A. Use job portals, LinkedIn, Naukri, Indeed, Monster, etc., referrals, and social media to find the best IT professionals. B. Implement Boolean search, X-ray search, and tech community engagement to source passive candidates. C. Build and maintain a strong database of IT professionals. Screening and shortlisting. A. Conduct preliminary screening calls to assess candidate skills, experience, and suitability. B. Shortlist profiles based on technical proficiency and cultural fit. Interview coordination and selection process. A. Schedule and manage interview rounds with hiring managers and technical panels. B. Ensure a smooth interview experience for both clients and candidates. Offer negotiation and hiring. A. Negotiate salary, benefits, and other job-related terms with candidates. B. Manage the offer acceptance process and onboarding formalities. Recruitment metrics and reporting. A. Maintain accurate records in the applicant tracking system, ATS. B. Generate weekly and monthly reports on recruitment performance. Required skills and qualifications. Education and experience. A. Bachelor's degree. B. 1 to 5 years of experience in IT recruitment, agency or in-house. Technical and recruitment skills. A. Strong knowledge of IT roles, programming languages, and emerging technologies. B. Hands-on experience with ATS software and job portals. C. Proficiency in Boolean search, advanced sourcing techniques, and LinkedIn recruiter tools. Soft skills and competencies. A. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills. B. Strong negotiation and persuasion abilities. C. Ability to multitask and handle multiple job openings efficiently. Why join White Horse Manpower Consultancy Private Limited? A. Work with top IT companies and global brands. B. Lucrative incentives and performance-based rewards. C. Fast-paced, collaborative, and growth-oriented work environment. D. Ongoing training and career development programs. E. Supportive and friendly team culture. If you fit into this job, log on to www.whitehorsemanpower.in for more information or call the numbers given on the screen. Please forward this mail to your friend who might be looking for this job. Thank you again from White Horse Manpower Consultancy Private Limited.